This is my tutorial for how to make a regular hexagon using the Desmos Geometry tools. You can see I already have one shown here, and that's just there to illustrate that I can think of a hexagon as 6 equilateral triangles, a regular hexagon, and then those therefore have an internal angle of 60 degrees. And I'm going to use that property to make my hexagon. I'm going to delete this and show you how I made it. So I'm going to put a point here. That's going to be the middle, and just so to help us keep track, or the center, I'm going to label this as center. I'm then going to place another point, my first vertex. I can place it anywhere I want, so I'm going to place it there. And also to help us keep track, I am going to label that V. And then I'm going to use the transformation tools. So to do a transformation, I'm going to do a rotation. I have to choose what I want the center to be. I'm going to use my center. And I want to be rotating around that point by 60 degrees. So the way transformations work is they're always defined. So this is always a rotation of 60 degrees around this point. So I'm going to choose something. I'm going to choose my vertex, and I'm going to apply that transformation to it. So it'll rotate it by 60 degrees around this center point. And now this new point is selected, so I'm going to apply it again and again and again and again. And I end up with a hexagon. Then all I have to do is add some line segments so that it looks like a hexagon. And we can look at how it behaves if I move different points. If I grab the center, then that changes the size and the middle because it's all relative to that vertex. If I grab the vertex, it will spin it and change the size relative to the center. These other points I'm allowed to move also, but they're all always in relation to this original point because they're always rotating this point 60 degrees around the center and then each one after that. And you can see if I grab an edge, then it moves the whole thing.